Hello, I am Dr. Shamla Prasad, Ayurvedic physician practicing since 26 plus years. Today I am focusing on women above 40 having joint pains and how a holistic approach to this with Ayurveda and spirituality is possible to cure joint pains in these women. Now, above 40 women undergo many changes. In them, the Vata dosha is very predominant in this age after 40 years. So what happens? The joints become stiff, the joints become dry, and there is a cartilage damage. If the weight of the person is more, then there is more damage to the joints, and also there are many degenerative changes taking place in the joints. Now, many factors contribute to this joint pains. One is lack of physical activity. If you are very sedentary and you are not having any activity at all, like simple activities like cooking is not a valid activity, you have to have some exercises or some walking at least for half an hour. Only then it will give some results. And if you are having overactivity also, if you are walking like 6 to 8 kilometers per day due to your work, that is also leading to vata vriddhi. And also some people rely on bakery foods, that is also not very good for joint pains. There are other things which happen after 40 years, that is the hormonal changes happen after 40 years. Those results in calcium getting debilitated in the joints, and also there is a muscle wasting in the joints due to the age factor. So all these factors lead to joint pains. They get up in the morning, they have swelling in the joints, pain in the joints, so there is difficulty in continuing the daily activities. Now what should be done in these conditions? The first thing is you have to take the foods which are rich in calcium, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and also you have to take in Ayurveda we tell that snehana ahara like ghee, coconut oil, and calming foods like milk and curds, etc. This will reduce the joint inflammation also, and also the joint pains. Also the food should be very much digestible. We have to avoid food if the previous food is not digested. For example, afternoon if you have had very heavy food, then after night you have to avoid heavy food and you have to eat very simple so that the digestion is very apt. And other things which are responsible are stress. If there is a continuous stress in the life, then cortisol level is increased and the perception of pain is increased in the body. Again, there are certain factors like sleep. Even sleep is very essential in menopausal and perimenopausal ages, because if you do not have sleep, then the pain elevates and inflammation is increased in the body. So if you are very keen on self-care, then that is the best thing you can do in this age. That is, you can take Mahanarana Taila or Karpuradi Taila or Kshirabala Taila and massage it to your whole body. You can take the help of Panchakarma centers also, and after half an hour or 1 hour you can take bath. You can also take sun bath, being in the sun for half an hour and 1 hour after oil massage. That is also very helpful for you. Again, certain herbs help a lot in these perimenopausal, menopausal and postmenopausal conditions. Those are ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a great stress buster, and it is a rejuvenator, that is called rasayana. So that helps in these conditions. And you can also use herbal derivatives from your garden. You can use like turmeric and even pepper. You can use things from your kitchen like ginger. All these are quite anti-inflammatory in nature, and it will help you to relieve the pain. And also in this age, in menopausal or perimenopausal age, you have to definitely do meditation and yoga and breathing exercises so that you calm yourself and you have a very blissful mindset, so that you don't aggravate the pains and all the hormones. So you have to take into consideration your health, that it is deteriorating, and you have to pick it up and follow proper exercises and proper diet and also proper mindset. So these are very simple healing methods for women above 40 years who are suffering from joint pain or rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis. You have to take very rich calcium, iron also, and vitamin D also, and magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids in a diet in a very regular form. And you have to eat green leafy vegetables also, and calcium diet like ragi. Those are all very helpful in these times. So this is a very short glimpse of the joint pains and their treatment aspect and preventive aspects. So we'll continue this series with other information also. Thank you very much. Have a great day.